What's up guys, welcome to Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. On today's show, I'm going to go ahead and share with you for my son's 10th birthday, I gave him components for his birthday and he had to build his own computer. Now all I did was gave him a little bit of guidance, but for the most part he literally built the entire thing himself. So I did go ahead and split this into multiple videos since it is quite a lengthy process, especially for the first time to build a PC being a 10-year-old. And I hope that you enjoy it. Real quick guys, before we get started, go ahead and click that like button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and click the little bell so you get a notification every time that I release a new video. Thanks. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the old computer out. You excited?
Yes.
Alright, so what's that you unplugged?
The mouse.
What's next?
What was this one?
So what do you think that is?
I have no idea.
Where does it go to?
Power?
You think that's power?
Yeah, maybe this is power.
Your screen did something. What do you think it is?
It was the video cable.
Oh, there we go. Alright, you unplug the power. Okay, you got anything else hooked to it?
One last thing.
Keyboard? Alright, so go ahead and put that
Side.
over the side. And then you need to go take that power cable and get that unplugged.
Okay. Oh yeah, I just zip tied to
Yeah, zip tie.
yeah, because force could delete your finger. So it's this guy.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so here is the new power cable.
Yeah, well,
We'll work on the cable management after. But go ahead and unravel that cable. The cable that's in your hand.
I just want to take out everything. There's so much.
Push that into the wall. Hold on. Push it back in.
And then you put him in. I think that won't fit.
No, it fits.
Yep.
Okay, and then you gotta plug back in the video.
What's this?
Your monitor.
What's this? Yeah, this is video.
You should label it, then you'll know. Yep. Screen came back on. Okay, so then you want to go ahead and take that cable and route it over to the left behind the desk. There we go. Alright.
Just need some scissors.
Some cable management. And down here.
Yes.
So what do you got there?
I got the hard wire and
What's the hard wire called?
it's a hard wire.
It's not Wi-Fi. Is it a cable to what?
It's a cable to Wi-Fi.
Maybe to the network? Yep.
Well, that's pretty much Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi gets you on the network. This computer does not have Wi-Fi. You will be hardwired in. Alright, go ahead and grab your case.
Yes! Okay, check.
Okay. heavy. Got it? Put it on the floor.
Heavy.
Alright. And scoot it on back.
Oh, wait, you see? This goes in there. There?
Yep.
You just need to pull it. And it is booted up, but we won't turn it on.
Well, we gotta find that video tape.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Well, this video is not. It's not very. Oh, it is. Long.
Hold on. Right here. Look. So you're twisting it. Unravel it so that you don't stress the cord. Alright?
That's how you actually untangle the clothes.
Yeah.
Is it this?
Well, not wrong, but
Look, I see.
video, you want it to go on this video card here. And you can see it's right there. That's it.
I want HDMI 1
Yeah,
so
that's
that I can play PS4.
And here is your keyboard.
Now you just oh, it goes on the red ones, right?
Goes on the USB port.
Yeah, but it says the red ones and the blue ones.
Let's see here. Well, the blue is USB 3. That's eSATA. You just plug it in one of these blue ones here. Yeah, no, it's just over here.
Oh, it doesn't have to be high speed,
No, it doesn't have to be high speed.
but it's just going in there.
Yeah, see right here?
Uh-huh.
It's kind of hard to see. It's actually covering part of the USB port. So this is a little misaligned, or it just wasn't cut right. I'll have to get in here maybe with some tin snips and just snip that out. Right here, that little bar in between. That'll open it up for you. Alright, scoot it on back. Alright, push the power button.
Yes, boy. It's not.
See? Open it up.
We'll do that straight every time.
Yes. Your old one had Alienware instead of Asus. Which that'll be going up on eBay soon.
Okay. You got some.
Yeah, I got games on there for you. I loaded up Steam.
I thought Doom was slow.
It's a little scary, but it's a good game.